I'm about to show you how I made $11,600 with just $10,000 in 15 minutes. Guys, I can't explain to you how much this one really meant to me. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll see that I took a break from trading for the last 10 days. I started a health journey, and that was very interesting to remove myself from the charts and look after my brain and rest myself and get my thinking nice and clear. And then today I decided to open up the charts, and I was ready to get back into the markets. I want you guys to watch the session. Let me know below in the comments what you thought. And yeah, enjoy the session. Let's go. All right, beautiful peeps. We are back for a private trading session. I say private because this is the trading that I do outside of the shows. I trade my own accounts. The important thing for me is to share this knowledge with you guys, but it really gives me time to focus, lock in, and see what I can do in the times where I'm trading. The whole purpose of this is for you to see the whole journey, see me through trades, how I'm thinking, how I'm reacting, and ultimately I truly believe you will learn the most by being in the game. And that's the purpose here, is to get you guys in the seat with me on this journey. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and let's jump straight into it. So guys, very tough market as I'm streaming this. I have recently taken around a 10-day break. It was a little bit tough. I was around about $6,000-7,000 down for the month, and I just needed a break. Markets have been quite choppy and crap, and I needed a mental reset. So I started a whole health journey. I started 5 a.m. club, getting up 5 a.m. in the morning, really working on my routine, getting my clarity, because I think the work outside of crypto is super important. So for me, focus a lot on that. But I'm back on the chart. So to show you guys a couple of things that I'm paying attention to is we're at a little crucial level where I do think we are in short or long territory, right? Market's kind of at this area where it's very interesting. In the stream, again, I'm just going to use a couple of simple tools: support and resistance, Fibonacci's, and trend lines. That for me is the basis of trading. I am going to be trading leverage to show you guys when I calculate risk, how much leverage do I basically use. I am setting myself a $4,000 limit on losses today. I'm trading with $82,000. So I'm going to be risking around 4 to 5% of the account. I'm looking for hopefully a $10,000 to a $20,000 payday. Always look at setting yourself a daily limit and then ultimately having a good risk to reward to that, right? So if I'm risking 4K, I'm going for the 10, 20K type of mark. At least a 1 to 3 is super important, but giving yourself that daily limit is important. Doesn't mean that I'm going to risk that all in one trade, but if I hit that for the day, I have to take a break, right, and come back tomorrow. And that's just so that you have another day to do it again. If you kind of go too big, you get yourself in a hole, and then you spend up the rest of the month basically trying to fix that and come back from that. So let's jump into it and let's get into the play here. $1,000 risk. I'm in. Let's see. So guys, if you are looking for exchange, 𝗏𝗏, link below in the description. Been trading with them for a long time. Great exchange, don't need KYC, but you're really good. Loving the platform. Just confirm, guys, I'm in $7,000. I got 80,000 in the account here, 82,000, but I'm not trading 82,000 today. I'm trading with 7,000 so far. I'm hoping if we break the top trend, I can get to around 15,000 in, which will put me at around $650,000 position size. I'm risking $1,200, let's say, with some fees. So 6K on $1,200 risk. That's good. Good risk to reward. So the next candle, we're either going to rock it solid from here, but the next candle, we should see red into a retest over here. Then we're going to work on TPs. So again, I already know the risk towards really good. Look at the higher time frame. It's just about, is it short-term TP or we're going to fly quickly if we break? I'm looking for a short squeeze, right? If we get through a certain area, are we going to see a short squeeze? Okay. So to clarify again, I'm in $7,800 on a higher leverage, but again, the leverage doesn't really matter. I could have entered more of my cash, but I decided not to. I'm going to reduce risk here, basically 0. I decided to use more of the exchange's cash. If I'm 49x on 7,000 or I'm 50,000 on a 10x, I'm going to risk the same amount of money. So leverage is all determined on position size and the amount of money you're willing to risk. Close outside. You got 5 more minutes. Close outside. So you guys can see what I do is I put the bottom trend line, and that's kind of like stop loss territory. I'd like another push from here, get some space, reduce my risk, and actually focus on TPing, to be honest. Okay, we got to wake up soon. Otherwise, I'm going to TP out. I'm going to give it this 15-minute close. I'm going to take a breather because it panics me out. So let me go have a breather, and then this needs to speed up pretty soon. Looks like there is a good TP at 21.32 short time frame. Let's see how much we wake up here. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Come on. I want to see a green close here. I want to close above 2112, 2113. So we should get another push up on the next 15 minutes. Okay, we should see one more push up. Otherwise, I want to be done with this trade in the next 15 to 30 minutes. I'm now going to go take my break. And when I come back, Hopefully that TP's been smacked. Come on. Okay, we're coming into support. Support is here at 2110. Okay, come on. Last push. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Come on. I am going to put a timer on here. 1 more hour and I will be sleeping. So I will TP out with whatever profit it is. I am still in the trade. I got my bottom trend line in. We're approaching the trend, so we should see some bounces pretty soon. If we start to break the trend, I'll take about 2K profits. Profit is profit, cool. Means we're going to come back. I'm going to throw away a bunch of cash. If I look at the 1 hour, this is a kind of strong rejection. However, when you see a candle like this, where there's a body here, we should actually have another green candle after this, right? And I do think we're going to have one more push up. I don't know if we're going to break the highs, so it's quite important that I do TP the next push up. And that's when I keep an eye on the short-term trend. But I'm still pretty confident that we should see some more growth over the next hour. That trend will, however, warn me. So again, I'm just going to hold out a little bit longer. It's worth the extra gains if they come. One more push up, and then let's get out of the damn trade and just take profits and go sleep. I gym in the morning. Could have TP'd out here. Would have been for 5K profits. But I do have to trust analysis. Been a couple days out, so I want to see how fresh my brain is and my analysis is. Trend lines, not predicting. It's telling me, stay alive here. The stops in profits. You won't lose any money today. Just trust the thesis. So let's see. Okay, so we have that little 5-minute break. Come on, we want to see a push up here. This is where we want to see a push. So the 1 hour candle finished good. So what I tend to do is I always look at 1 or 2 time frames higher, look at the candles. This candle told me to stay in the trade. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Take us home, baby. Take us home. Take us home. Take us home. Come on. It's sleep time. It's sleep time, market. Give me my money and let me go. Let me go to sleep. Yes. Let me go to sleep. Go. 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 Bring this up. Come on, come on. Let me show you guys the P&L. Go, 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 go. We are there. Come on, come on. Let's go to bed. Hit it. Don't come just short. Let's go. Hit it. Get me out. Get me out. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Get me out. Get me out. Stop loss up. Get me out. Take the TP. Take the TP. Take it, take it. Okay, stop loss is at $4,000 profit, so 4,000 up no matter what. Oh my goodness, just take the damn TP. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Huh? Take the TP, take it, hit it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit the damn TP. Oh, that is so close. Are you kidding me? What are we doing here? Why? You shouldn't stop. My TP is even low. Like, we shouldn't stop. Take it, take it, take the TP. Hit it. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Come on! Yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Let's go! Come on! We needed that one. Let's go! 11,122. I don't care if you want to pump more. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, 102% on the trade. I ended up putting around $10,000 into the trade. 10,500. We came out $11,100. Smash that like, smash the subscribe button. Total trading hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Lots of love to you all. See you guys on the next show. Yes. Cheers guys. Bye-bye. Come on. Let's go.